This closet looks good to fit in the house. Benny, what? Why are you looking at a closet, Bo? We're teenagers, Bo. Oop. I'm gonna test if this glass is fragile. Okay, he literally died for no reason. I think he should come back. Beep, beep. Yeah, it's very fragile. Father, he broke the window. Shut up, I don't care. Just do your dang stuff on your dang electronics. Just let me go to sleep. I'm in bed now. I'll really bash you if this. Oh, chill if you don't wake up. Do it, I don't care. Yeah. Baby Bobby. Ooh, this way looks like a good place, Sandy. Don't go out the way. Ow. Throw it. What about I just let it have a little time? Yeah. Father, he broke the window again, and he broke my bed. Why am I going to sleep now? Shut up, Henry. You whine about everything. I'm 12 years old. I'm 12 years old, boy. Boy, you're trying to outsmart me? I'm 15. I mean, no, I'm 18. And his legs are broken for no reason. Like I did. Don't try to outsmart me, little brother. Okay, fine. Jeez. Now I'm going to play on my computer. Oop. Okay, I just know Benry is about to ask me. What up? What up? Nah. What? Can I play on your computer? Shut. I did your mama. Don't get angry. Go. You didn't have to beat him up like that. Oh, I don't care. He's trying to steal my PC. Na. Can I have chocolate pudding? No, actually, I want a little chunk of this window. That's what I want for breakfast. Yum. Okay, nom nom. Okay, I just my arm. Oh no. Okay. Up. Chance of winning 70%. Great, now I know what this is going to mean. And it just started raining. What about this boat? What if I could test this up and decide? Okay, that clearly didn't work. Benji, you better not snitch on me. Daddy. Daddy, wake up! Daddy, wake up! Ah. Okay, literally just died. Okay, I bet he didn't actually deserve that, so I'm gonna respawn him. No. I'm gonna copy this to replace it. Yeah, I'm respawned. Oh. Shut up and be quiet about almost everything. Not everything. I could turn this light on. Do it. What the? Oh, that means. Help me! Honey, possessed bull is behind you. What do you mean? Ah! Well, you weren't kidding. And a possessed plate. I can easily eat these. Okay, he just died for no reason again. Ah! Beep beep bop beep. You get hurt so many times in this video. No, you do. Ah! Okay, he literally got through now so far. Wow, that was actually something cool to experience. I actually... I'm not. Come back and you repeat it. Oh, it only starts 10 minutes after fighting. Sure. No, I'm on. You're pink. We went where? Pedro. Ow. My leg. My leg. Oh. My bad. Okay, go back. Guys, would you stop fighting? It's pointless. He's a jerk. Stop copying me. Stop copying me. Shut up. What does that mean? What do you mean? Tornado warning! You need to get in the closet right now! Okay, yeah, Peter said. Okay. I've never experienced a tornado in my entire life. You had approximately 12 years to experience one. I can't breathe. Okay, you know it's serious when it turns green. How do you know that? Because I'm searched it up. No, you didn't. Yes, he did. Yes, I did. No, you didn't. Yes, I did. No, you didn't. Yes, I did. Shut up, y'all. It's about to be really serious. See, glass just broke. And that thing just turned off. I bet our roof is going to fall at any time. And I knew it. How do you know what tornado stuff? That was close. Oh no! Oh gosh, oh god, it's so laggy. God, it's so laggy. Let me send some of this stuff up. Actually, everything must be. Okay, actually, we could delete these because for some part it's just making the game so glitchy. So I'm gonna do that real quick, but not all of it. Yeah, this stuff needs to go. Probably these stuff. There we go, it's less laggy now. Help me, just kidding. But my leg, it's decapitated. For some point, he's still alive. Shut up, Henry. Shut up. Okay, for some reason I just don't wanna pause time. Where I am. And we're floating. Oof. How the hell are we still alive? ID cable, yeah. Oh crap. Here, I'm going to grab your parachutes. there were 2 parachutes, y'all. And guys, since I'm the youngest, I'm taking one. Okay, y'all. Cheers. Okay, y'all. Cheers. Okay, y'all. Don't forget. No. Oh. No. I need it. No. I need it. Get it to me. Yes. Cheers, y'all. Hope this is my final words. Bye, everyone. How the hell am I not dead? What? Whoa, you're actually alive. Whoa, you alive? Yes, but I'm in severe pain. Same. Not me though. But how is all this stuff floating still? Okay, falling debris. Oh. There's no freaking way. We survived. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Only one person died, but the rest survived. The end.